Well, my second drive this afternoon. It is absolutely gorgeous out here. And a whole bunch of blackbirds over there in the field. And I would be willing to bet that Amy is going to go over there and scare them all up. Or just us coming by will be enough. There they all go. So funny, they've done that several times where they go partway across and some turn and go back and half the flock goes on over to the east. And they've done that twice. I don't know if you can see, but the whole puddle area is full of blackbirds getting drinks. Are you ready to trot, big guy? Yep, we'll let the birds go by. All right, Gale, working trot. Nope, my mistake. Sorry. I had to shorten my reins and only managed to snag one of them with my knees. Gale gets to go on Saturday. We're going down to Amarillo and we're going to drive with the 806 drivers. So that's going to be a lot of fun. And he's pretty relaxed. And he's not especially kept on going because he knows that it's feeding time, but he also will get to go in to be fed. So he'll get his own separate feeding tonight instead of having to be part of the herd. Gale is 4 this year. Yes, we can stay over on the edge, but we're not going out in the field. It's too muddy. Get back up on the road, please. That's a boy. This is GTR, Gale Force Windstorm. He is a green tree gathering storm baby out of Niobrara April showers. So he is a double Bonnie John bred horse. He's smart, he's easy, he's gentle. He's a great lesson horse. And he loves going places. You know, I can drive horses all day long, and it doesn't bother me, but I will tell you that sliding around in the mud just tears my shoulders up. And I was ankle deep in mud and water today, so at some point I'm going to end this simply because my shoulders hurt. My shoulder hurts. So we'll see how long I can make it. No, we are not going in the field. It is too muddy. All horses have bad habits, and this one's worst habit is that he loves tearing his shoes off. So he's going to spend a lot of his life barefoot. He thinks that it's very funny to tear off his front shoe, I believe his right front shoe, within 24 hours of the time it is put on. Oh my goodness. It's a bird. Look out. Silly horse. It's snow. It really isn't going to hurt you. It's interesting, the places that there are snow piles and other places there are not. We figure we got 3 to 4 inches of snow by the time it was all said and done. You and your birds, you funny boy. I suspect that some of that comes from, he also was snake bitten. And I suspect that he was nosing around by the prairie dog holes. And a burrowing owl probably flew out at him, and that would give you a little bit of a complex about birds for possibly the rest of your life. Those are just little black birds. They aren't going to hurt you. There's still water in our playa, which is nice. See, you can chase the birds. How about that? I spent most of my time riding him. And I thought, well, if I'm going to take him down and drive him, maybe I should drive him a time or two. There you go. Now he's ready to move out a little bit. This is going to be one powerful horse when he's a mature boy. Whoa. Whoa. Wait. Wait. Walk on. I want my horses to be able to distinguish that I want them to stand from other horses being told to stand, so I'm using a very specific command of wait. You ready to come around, buddy? Or shall we wait till we get to the intersection? We have lots more room. Yes, I know you can spin this cart on one wheel, can't you? This is one thing I like about him more than Ladies' Man. When he walks to go somewhere, and he can outwalk anything we've got on the ranch at this point. You and the birds. You are for the birds is what you are. Come all the way around. All the way, all the way, all the way. Come, 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 come. Good boy. Yes, there are bugs out already, aren't there? He hates bugs. So we're already ready to start putting ear nets on him. Because he hates the bugs. And I don't blame him, I do too. All right, we are headed home. My shoulder says enough. So we hope you guys have a great day. We hope you will subscribe and share and like and help our algorithm out so that we get more views. Have a great one, everybody.